Ndizi TV ubwanzu bw'Gusii.
Sani komi bono chebono umargubo moncho muligereria AMAYA CHINSA IKOMI lakini okwaligania SMS mangana mayasa nchire yo bwengeli nyaro kumanyikati yali abaliki baito bagendere tuko yasangire koro chingongo chonse ime na isiko yorongoro guse warachi kumanyasa nchire yo bwekiranu karabono chargire ense mona bono margoba na isato chabutuko Everine Oserom abagona Josephat Amisi kurenda sebono na mangagendere to kolekana haibono togochia kumulekera Inyirabono nigo omugabano we county ya Meru kawira mwangaza haikire bose bebunga ya Senate kubatikana mu cyamu bwatiraneti abwase county assembly ye county yo ya Meru baba bakunyara go itibuna hanyare kwa kwisiko kurasa bokarre bwaye tinga kechi ganigo agendrete kunenge kwa ase bunge karkriya bagiribaye barokana komo che county assembly ya Meru aingati yari to chikomulekira ase margo ya wonga tanda mange hayibona agendrete okolekana ime na isiko yorgongo rogusin oli to kubwatira nere go tirasumo bo imanyererio igakoro kwa LYDIAH MOSE kero kerisara mumanyi akone kichibi cha muri cya wikere ase nchira yobo ikirano to bwatu betera assembly mtandao nasemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital abagen assembly ya YouTube to nyarubuna Ndizi TV News to basokwe ba bwatu betera se website yetu no tambe www.ndizitv.net onyara konyara yomunanda mange anemono asenchera ayobo ikirano to yekamanyira kubanza mbende studio to yantosa amangana majya senchera yobo na ni gotogo chaka koroiga sorgongo rwagusi ane mono tomulekere miye county ya Nyamira gati ya bamenyi nabo igabatumeki ane mono asechiro ya amuturumesi gotoka CHINSA ya mochiri chaga chuba eyubonera se bonga yakitutu masaba miye county ya Nyamira ni go barokane kwe murungane kyande gikomi asogo tebuna nseme ya rokane gotiwa maiga ane mono asamanga narengeta magendro gati yari bakwe murungane nga mono gatorose wechiri ya muturumesi asaba gote yabono yaberege kombigwa inseyo chagati chire yo kabiro mu governor we county ya Nyamira Nyagarama hasanye tigreten wekraboni gati ya nyakarosibwa ngo chinga kechi banyarre kubor gati ya bari kurwa sense mu wesoke na kone kibuna nkorosibwa bari chiredio banyarwe kirania obonchereria wabo
ne chire ito vai gatoroje ngane chiombe chibe kiroro tali chiro ya bantu yarenge una ntu abangina kore tatu arenge getungo twao ni rone kabichi twao ni bona bangire gotoigorera atogo sabaiga atogo sabo mwe mpio ito umugabano gitino musene to itanda nsi ese moigwete aki anja makonya abantu ba muturumesi ngo kura tore bano
itanga nikabisa nariko kwaniranga ejire eguru nyagara MOSE tanya rosa tia asogete paje de jiro buna kwete ne jire chia kwete itanga nikabisa buna SG kirete no enjera tebya twali go saba ese account government eje enyarege kotorosi jiro kento kende kya kabere muturumesi ne na nene ne takeri ko igoru ebe chire nene ase para koru ya muturumesi ndoma etenga e contract nere lakini ne ire tengara gocha kokora twale ko basaba e contract
na gotigana yobono mwancho muligereria nigo abana boda boda nakati ya abarundi ya chipikipiki korwa sense moja kisuri tukulia robanya rakubekure chugutwa kubwatika no kunyara gukora amayigeri yabo yo Burundi umurobiri ho bakogusirwa no mu MCA bwe godi yo yagiso Anthony Karage onkundi uyibono bakagati abuna nabigete mirobiri sene kone kibuna abarundi bechipikipiki ngonyara amayigeri saine unanchira mu yo kunyara kwera ninse asamangana arengete imvasukano chigakyo cyo konengana no mu MCA bwe godi ni gati beruna nagendera gusira CHINSA mo chonsi ane mona se wodi yo yagiso
ndo mu MCA we wodi ya Gisusu unamoroche maega yane tore n'abana boda boda n'abamintu bali bagokora se ki stage cheto kya matatu ime ya Gisusu tukulia rero igo toriga Gisusu ase skuru ekoro kusoma wise igo tuacha sengencho abaminta aba bali maega yane ekerenale kuburi chukura mbambori na kiorato konye buna into abasae irinde na into tonyale kwegenderesa bumwa bwito mo especially into abana boda boda togateba ninga kilinga ekere obora ibwasoire kobokona litora nyale kwa kesabu kuna bono iga mubaroche iga bona ababonsi pi obale chintereba babwate chi driving lessons gwetera ebasari ye county
tokwera nili mwesimi goitokera gembu ya mono pamoja ne gafana ya ito simba arati ngambu ya mono asoko toy pasali tugachwenyorera masomo ase skuru ya Somawise. In fact yegentekeiga kurubo gambi bongya ndochenga mwesimi goitokerage na gafana nababera batanga nande tokwera ningambu ya mono asoko tokonya abange baito muna mutoroja ega nechi pipi tokorundi nabalinga kongsana konyora chibese chiga turachire ko nyorera amasomo ayega lakini boni go mwesimi goitokerage mbuya mono nande mbuya mono abange baito muna mutoroja ega nechi pipi tokorundi nabalinga kongsana konyora chibese chiga turachire ko nyorera amasomo ayega lakini boni go mwesimi goitokerage mbuya mono nande mbuya mono etali nekerengo kenya saya ko konye nande genteke ngiera ansaiga gikegendere gikonya
na gotigana yubono ni gochinga kichibono omonyakiro bubekya makali kya ODM oyero mugavana wa county area ya Omabay Gladys Wanga habereka wesoka na ukwana igoro ya mangana gendrete koneki kwa ase kya mano muri wazimio wangani gate bire bunense mo ya ODM ni gete nekiki mana boy goni ga mochiro libagendrete utumekeretera yo mora we kya makya ODM rera morodinga ane mona buna we watandire nense mo ya serikali kolenga no munyakiro we kya makya ODM Gladys wangani gate bire buna ense mo ya ODM tere bwatane ne serikali na we kumba bege tukwa na consequence kati ya ODM na Kenya Kwanza kolenga nani gate bire buna okorusi wako kati ya bare kurense mo ya ODM na kosense mo ya serikali nentere ya mo yo kunyara wekerani obo korri bwabo kucheza serikali na wate buna ODM rani gete ne na we konege
and myself, Gladys Wanga, the national chairman of ODM. So we're going to issue a statement of the position of ODM in Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition and national leadership. We are here as a party to express serious misgivings about utterances by some of our partners in the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition party who have attempted to question the place of ODM and its commitment to playing its role as an opposition party. We would not take seriously such utterances were they not directed as they are now at the party leader of the ODM party, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, who is also the leader of Azimio. Someone in Azimio is trying to question Raila Odinga's commitment to holding the government to account. The basis of the doubt is the fact that some 5 of our former officials joined the Kenya Kwanza administration to help steady the nation. We wish to restate that the fact remains what our party leader, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, has said before. There is no agreement between ODM and Kenya Kwanza that makes
na chingo kicho boy goni genseme ya ODM bate birubu namba bwate kerenge kenegyo kone kibunango sida bale omurewe kya makya ODM rera morodinga ane muna soko nyara kone kibunango ikiraniro kogani kwaye asenseme lyo munyakiro bubwa ensemo yo bomu wechinse gose AU no ena boni ko bagendere gotse bana komocha gati ya bana siasa bali bakonya ko bagoserubuna mbachikunganya kurwa aso omubuna kwe watani amone serikali wanga ko kwana siri tukole kurasa magacha amane kya makya ODM ne gate birubu na hunde bonsana bwatobusi bule kwe watani na senseme ndeko linda sabate kuwanchirana gati ya bare koroso mu buli Azimio One Kenya kwendra gonchokana na aseme sangerkano na gote yabuna ni gupinzani ya roka ne kwira nanse na gote yabuna ni ODM yebwatanire na Kenya Kwanza.
As a party, however, ODM will continue to play its minority role alongside other parties to push for accountability, transparency, equity, and delivery of services to the people in a cost-effective manner. Having said that, let us make a few things clear. As a party, we will not agree to engage with anyone acting in bad faith and with ulterior motives. On the matter at hand, the questioning of ODM and the Right Honorable Raila Odinga's commitment to opposition, our partners are not acting in good faith. They're hiding behind the 4 gentlemen and 1 lady who joined government and using it to try and wrestle the leadership of the Houses of Parliament from ODM. We find that unacceptable, and we wish to reiterate the obvious. The House leadership is about numbers in the House and not those in government. As a party, we will not accept any continued attempt to use Raila Odinga as a human shield, and any continued attempt to twist him into endorsing anybody at this stage, or any continued attempt to use him as an excuse for the failure of leadership in individual constituent parties of Azimio. And we will not accept the use of Raila Odinga's bid for the African Union Commission chairmanship to be used to pass ill-intentioned remarks disguised as well wishes and to twist him on Azimio matters. Raila has earned his candidacy for the AU chairmanship. We are proud that he is the leader of our ODM party and our coalition, Azimio. We are grateful to the government for standing with him, and we are grateful to the many African leaders who are considering him for this position. As a party, we will only be too proud to donate Honorable Raila.
Na gotigana ye goika samaga choye bunge ni kubona bagiriba ye omo governor we county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza barokane ko mochigati ya MCA korwa ase bunge ya Meru ko watikana noko ni kwabo konyara kumwaka sikomo governor we county yo kolengana bagiriba ni ko bagote abuna haba MCA korwa ase bunge yo ni ko barokane ko beka mangana atari ye kene goro jobo koribwa yo mo governor we county yo ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza.
You're being called for the 3rd time to interrogate the ability of Governor Kawira to manage the resources of the county of Meru. You're being called upon for the 3rd time to interrogate the ability of Governor Kawira to ensure that there is effective service delivery of services to the people and the residents of Meru County. Accountability, honorable members, is a measure of leadership. Accountability is the ability of an individual to be held to account for our actions. It's not a call for interrogating the weakness of an individual, but the ability of that individual to execute her constitutional mandates.
The county assembly has created a lie, told the lie, repeated the lie so many times that it started sounding like the truth. They actually went ahead and believed that lie. And they want everyone else in this room and the entire country to believe in this lie. And when we look at them in the eye and tell them it's a lie, they get bitter. They get mad. They accuse senators of being bribed. They accuse the governor because they want us to believe a lie, because they have themselves created a lie and believed in a lie. Honorable senators, Shakespeare states that a rose by any other name shall still smell as sweet. No matter how much mud they sneer on the governor will remain clean. The governor will remain blameless. All they are hoping is that they will bring the governor so many times here that they will keep on repeating one thing, and we all believe that it.
Na bochinga kecho ni gokolengana na ensemelia yokogania anyaro wa kwisiko mu governor we county America Kawira Mwangaza ni gote abuna ni garoka ne gotumeka obisi yaye a century tabwenderete obutumeke obisi ngati yali mu bwaterente mu governor we county yo na boni gote kana abuna gati ye birogo byoburayi anamono ase county yo ya Meru ni go Mwangaza haroka ne ko abairi ba yemeremo engane gendere engana akolengana ba MC bagote abuna yali nkoma minchaneli chiko ni gochinga kecho bagenderete ko mu chomo governor we county yo ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza asogote abuna ni garokane gutachora omunyakro we border ejibone ligeti asokonyara ko kulikaba ntemeremo asensemeyo kati yeme asema mochanda mubwaterane to governor yo ngamo no kubuta gati ya bwatani yabanene be serikali ase ensemeyo ye bunge engana abagote abuna abwane tokogendankana koribaga asobochoryo bungao ase kergo kyo governor.
The Honorable Kawera Mwangaza, Governor of Meru County, please take the stand. Honorable Kawera Mwangaza, the Governor of Meru County, the charges against you as received from the County Assembly of Meru are as follows. Charge number 1, gross violation of the Constitution and other laws, that the Governor has grossly violated, among others, 1, illegally revoking the appointment of CPA Virginia Kawera Miriti as Secretary/CEO of the Meru County Public Service Board without a vote of not less than 75% of all the members of the County Assembly, and in usurpation of the powers of the County Assembly, contrary to sections 58(4) and 5 and 59 of the County Governments Act. 2, failing to appoint the chairpersons of the Meru County Revenue Board, Meru Microfinance Corporation, Meru Youth Service Board, and Meru County Investment and Development Corporation Board as required by law, thus failing to operationalize the said boards, and or illegally appointing the said chairpersons without vetting and approval by the County Assembly, contrary to Section 4 of the Public Appointments County Assemblies Approval Act. The respective secretariats of the said boards continue to draw and expend public funds without duly appointed board members to exercise a supervisory role over the boards.
Mwishumulgira yungati yalia tobereto kwaligania semanye CHINSA IKOMI shebono margoba hayo mananda mange nonyara senchire yobo ikirano hekero yaragire ense yemoja bono margoba na isato chia butuko ekero muracho komera na Evarino Osero na boigano Josfatia misi kuransemende chiko Victor Sultana toro boregire buya ase birebiga literana nchenkoro kwa VINCENT ONYANCHA.